Good morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So we'll start off with this class. So recapping previous class, what did we do? Pythagoras theorem, right? For right angle triangles, the P, B and H square will be equals to P square plus B square. Is it clear? This is what we have done in the previous class, the theorem that we have studied. Now moving on to question number 3, which was given as a homework for you all. Over here, that ABC is a right angle triangle and AC is the altitude, or say it's a perpendicular drop. Clear? You have to show that AB square is equals to BC into BD. Is it clear? So we'll be considering this entire triangle and this triangle and ABD and CAB. Is it clear? Can we apply Pythagoras theorem in this small triangle as well as this entire big triangle? Yes or no? Yes or no? First of all, we have to prove that these two are similar triangles, and I don't think it will be a big ask for you all to prove it's similar triangle. This angle will be common and this angle will be 90 degrees. Angle similarity. Is it clear? Now we can easily say out here that AB by CB is equals to BD by AB. Yes or no? This one we didn't even require the Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Then we cross multiply, we will get the value as AB square is equals to CB square into BD square. So first thing is already proved. Second thing we see out here is AC square is equals to BC into DC. Now yesterday we had done a similar kind of numerical. Look, altitude ka square. See, altitude square was equals to this into this. Yes or no? Same thing they are saying out here. Altitude square is into BC into DC. Now can anybody tell me how should we proceed with this? If you remember yesterday what concept we used. You have to consider these two triangles. Clear? Yes or no? Now if you don't want to use that triangle, similar concept we have done. If you don't want to use that triangle, you can directly use this. And we don't need this angle criteria. We just have to prove that CAB and CAD and CAD, these are similar to each other. Can we prove it? Yes, one is 90 degree and of course this is 90 and this is one side is common. We need one more thing. What should we go with? Yes, either you can go with this thing or you can do it to the proof this way. It's your wish altogether. Clear? You can either do it the way we did using Pythagoras theorem, or you can do it the way they have done out here. CAB will be 90 minus CBA will be 90 minus X, and CAD will also be 90 minus X. Okay, we have got one more angle similar out here. We'll be getting the AAA criteria out here. Is it clear? 190 degree we had already proven, and A and D, this two has to be equal because this is 90 degree and this has been divided. Clear? And when we can prove that these two are similar to each other, we can easily write AC by DC is equals to BC by AC. Is it clear? The reason will be corresponding side of similar triangles. Is it clear? I would expect you to copy this thing right away. The diagram, I am doing it for you. This will be our DA, this is C, this is 90 degree. and this is B. Please start copying this down. Ask me if you have any problems out here. It's a very simple one. It's just that this is the type 2 solving method. Either you can choose to do it using this or by Pythagoras theorem, which we have already done in question number 2. Let me know when the copying part is. Sorry? Want to scroll it up. Clear? Pausing the video for you to copy it. I hope people have done copying this. Now the third one. Third one is pretty similar. DAC, DCA and DAB. Clear? This and this entire thing is similar to each other. This angle is common, this angle is 90 degree. Angle similarity. So we can simply write this. DC by DA is equal to DA by DC by DA will be equals to DA by CD, not CD, BD. Clear? Please copy this down. Now people who are done with this will be moving on to question number 4. ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle at C. Your diagram will be as such: A, C, B. Right angle as this and this side will be equal. You have to prove that AB square is equal to twice of AC square. I don't think it will be a big problem for you. You'll never get a more simpler numerical in Pythagoras theorem. Please do it. I hope everybody has understood this properly. This is a right angle isosceles triangle, so our triangle looks like this, where AC, two of the sides will be equal to each other. Then we apply Pythagoras theorem and replace one of the sides by AC. Is it clear? I hope this numerical is not a big problem for anyone. Make sure you will be writing the statements. This statement needs to be written isosceles triangle, and whenever you apply the Pythagoras theorem, you have to write the reasons for applying that Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Is this numerical clear to everyone? Kindly confirm. Please draw the figure and do the numerical. I'm pausing the video. Every step needs to be written properly, and diagrams also. Please take your time. Don't be able to do question number 6, yes or no? Anyone who has done question number 6? No one. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. Keep in mind, altitudes are same. This is 2A, 2A, 2A. Is it clear? And since it is the altitude of an equilateral triangle, it will divide. It will be the median also. Okay? So this is 2A. AB is 2A and BD is how much? A. Right? Can we calculate the altitude? Yes or no? Tell me. Square of this minus square of this will give our root 3A. Yes or no? Root 3 is our answer. And we can easily prove that these two are congruent to each other, these two figures. Yes or no? S, A, S criteria. Please copy this down properly. I hope people have understood how did root 3A come. Simply using Pythagoras theorem, no fancy things done out here. I'm pausing the video, kindly note it down. And make sure the diagram is also done properly. And anyone has any doubts regarding this, please ask me now. Now a bit of hint I'll be giving you for question number 7. Prove that The sum of squares of the side of the rhombus is equal to the sum of squares of its diagonals. Sum of squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to sum of squares of its diagonals. Is it clear? That means if this is our rhombus, and you should know that rhombus may all sides are equal, you have to prove that AD square plus DC square plus BC square plus AB square is equals to sum of the square of its diagonals. What are our diagonals? AC square plus BD square. Did everybody understand what is required to be proved? Yes or no? Confirm, class. And can I tell you one more thing about rhombus diagonals? Anyone? A very important feature of diagonals of rhombus. Sides are equal apart from that. I'm asking about the diagonals.
Sir, diagonals are 90 degrees to each other. And
Very good. Who is this? I think he was Saptarushi. Yes, Saptarushi was it, na? I remember your voice. See. Now, proving part we'll try it at home now. Diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. Okay? Okay? Question number 7 and question number 8. Question number 8 plus Google Forms that will be given to you in your class group. You have to do it as your assignment for today. Is it clear? And I hope yesterday's Google Form people have done. Yes or no?